Sound Tigers come out of this weekend having garnered two big wins, including an overtime win against in-state rival, the Hartford Wolfpack. They sit just 1 point on the Eastern Conference playoff race and now fourth in the Northeast Division. We talked to the team about how staying loose has helped them win 3 out of the last 4 games.
It's just keeping it simple. The more simple we keep it, I think the more we work together, the more that we stick to the structure of the game plan, the more that everyone's on the same page, and in turn you get pucks in the net and you end up with the 2 points at the end of the night. Obviously we had one setback there on Saturday, but other than that, I think we had a couple good performances this weekend.
Yeah, we talked about a lot of things that we did right, and I think for us we're still learning. I think there's still that curve, there's still that next step, that next jump that we can make, and it starts with a good week of practice here, and then we got a big weekend ahead. Providence, Syracuse are, they're going to be good teams and good games, and we're ready to battle.
Yeah, it's big. The game in Worcester, I didn't hate my performance. I mean, I made some big saves, but obviously they scored 6 goals, and that's tough on the ego. And a loss is the most important part. And then Albany just didn't go well, bad bounces and a couple bad goals, whatever. So I wanted to respond with the game on Sunday, and just for the team, we haven't been getting as many wins as we'd like to. So it's important to try to get at least 2 wins on the weekend out of 3, and we got one on Friday, so it was good to finish the weekend with a win on Sunday.
Well, I think anytime you go into a weekend, you want to be above 500, and I think our goal is, point-wise, would be 4 out of 6 would be a minimum. 6 out of 6 is obviously perfect, and so it's pretty big. I mean, anytime you get above 500 and we start chipping away at the standings, it's a big deal.
After opening up 2015 on a 3-game losing streak, the Sound Tigers have picked up their game to get back into the playoff hunt in the Eastern Conference. We talked to Coach Thompson and some of the players about the big weekend coming up, starting in Providence on Friday night and finishing up on a Saturday-Sunday doubleheader with one of the Eastern Conference's top teams, the Syracuse Crunch.
Our mindset, though, right now should be focusing on Providence and not looking past that. Preparing for Syracuse is the afterthought, and one game at a time is the way we want to approach it, and it's more how we play.
I think for us right now, we need to get amped up for every game. There's a lot of points to be made here in the second half of the season, and we're looking forward to the challenge, and I think we're ready, and hopefully make a few jumps and pass some teams here.
That was with Norfolk, and they switched over to Syracuse, and I played 36 games I think was in Syracuse before I got called up to Tampa. So I still know a bunch of those guys. I know the coaching staff, and I know how they play. So they're gonna bring it. They play hard no matter what. Sometimes the bounces don't go their way, but that they're gonna be playing hard every shift.
The Sound Tigers look to keep pace in the Eastern Conference playoff race this weekend. You can get all your tickets at soundtigers.com or at the Click It or Ticket box office. If you can't join us in person, you can catch all the games live at ahllive.com. For Sound Tigers TV, I'm Chuck Scott.